Well, hello everyone. My name is Martin, and today we're going to take a look at what NIO stock did today, Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. So we got the 5-day chart out here. We're going to take a little look-see. We'll go to the 24th and see where we're at. Okay, so about 9:30 a.m., we're at about $40.69 for NIO. Now, pre-market actually opened up about 41.54. So we're just going to go by the 40.69 and see what happened throughout the day. So as we progress throughout the day, you guys can see from the chart here. If you guys can't see the chart correctly or sharp enough, just click that little settings button, the little gear icon, and put it to the highest resolution that your computer or phone is capable of, and you'll be able to see it a little bit better, hopefully. Anyway, so we're looking at 9:30 a.m. We're at 40.69. By around 10 a.m., we're already down to 39.58. 10:15 sunk down 38.77, and then from there it was just a landslide down, 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 and wind up closing at about 36.67. Now, just Monday this week, Benzinga was talking about how several EV makers, including Tesla, NIO, Nikola Corporation, Blink Charging, which is it's charging, it's not car manufacturer, Xpeng, were all popping off Monday. They were all pumped up and excited, and then they took a dive already by Wednesday, and they were saying they were trading higher Monday after Reuters reported California's Democratic Senators Alex Padilla and Dianne Feinstein have urged President Biden to set a firm date to phase out gas-powered passenger cars and trucks. But despite all the good news they have talked about, we can see not only where NIO has gone, but the EV market in general has just been at a real steady decline. And if you guys have been following NIO for any period of time, people that say they're making money. Actually, let me take you to a page real quick that talks exactly about how much great news NIO has had about them expanding to Europe, opening factories, making all this progress, so on and so forth. And the great news has not yielded great results for the performance of the stock overall. Now, this is a YouTube video I had watched, and you can see from the comments a lot of people are just really getting tired of, they're not making any money with NIO or any of the EV stocks, really. Let's go to the comment section. NIO is a good company, but it's priced too high. NIO needs to go down below $30 before any long-term buyers can really step in. Robert P. I actually responded to him. NIO to $100? Yeah, in 2095. I'm sure he's being sarcastic, but it's getting tough to watch every day. Good news, then more news, then more good news, and the stock keeps dropping. Maybe we need some bad news. And my response was people are trying to pump the stock up, but its performance is actually the reality. You can say it's doing great. The proof is in the pudding. People say hold long. People say they're going to hold. Personally, I'm holding 1700. Okay. Whatever. But people are getting frustrated and they're not making any money. So all the long-term holders in these comment sections that claim they're making money with NIO, not so fast. I don't think you really are, because let's take a look. This is a 6-month chart on NIO. We're at 36.96 here currently, 2021, March 24th. It's like midnight, so it just flipped over. But anyway, for the 24th. And we go all the way back to around November 4th, 2020. I said November 4th, my bad. We're looking at 35.50 and 37.71, somewhere around there. So, in over 4 months, if you're a long-time NIO holder and you bought in at this lower price, if you got 37.71 or lower, the most you've done to current is just breaking even. That's 4 months of no profit to you at all. And also remember, people keep saying, I made money with this, I made money with that. You have not made any money on anything, on any stock, until you hit that sell button. Just remember that. Everything else is just unrealized profit or unrealized gains. Now that could go for losses as well. You don't lose any money till you hit that sell button. So, am I bearish or bullish on NIO? Well, obviously I'm bullish. I want the company to succeed, and I want those of you who are invested in NIO to succeed and make a huge profit like I did. I made over 200K on NIO, but I'm not in it anymore. I'm doing an analysis for your guys' benefit. Just be careful what you do. I've made more money day trading than long-term holding, because people who have bought, like I said, way back in this region here, only to wind up breaking even to current date, which is over 4 months, you're not making any money. Now, I personally do day trading and swing trading and some long-term investments. Now, what makes more, day trading, swing trading, or long-term? Well, let's see. If you had bought in around 37.71 and you held out to current date today, you would have pretty much just broken even. Hardly made any money in the long run because you have no realized gains or realized profit. Now, if you had bought in and you sold off at 55.38, depending upon how much you had invested, you would have made you could have made a substantial amount. I mean, really, really, really good gains. And that's part of how I made money first time around with NIO. Now, let's go back to square one. If you bought it in 37.71 and you resisted the urge to sell at 55.38, that would have been what they call paper handing, I guess, if you sold there. And you would wait till January 11th, you could have sold at 67 or 62.70 versus 55.38. Now, your best bet would have been to have sold there, because that was its original peak. I think it got a little higher, actually, like 66 something. But if you held out and you waited till, what was it, nearly a month later, you would have been in the same boat pretty much. So you would have been better off just to take your profits at the 11th in January 2021. Now, if you made a huge mistake and waited till here, which is February 9th, and you did not sell, you would have had a huge decline all the way back down to the bottom pretty much again to where you started off. Now, if you guys got in below 37.71, 35, whatever it may be, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm curious to what your profits might have been if you bought in, say, at $10, $15, $20, $25. You would have had a great you would have had a really great run. My average cost at the first time with NIO was around $26 average cost, and I made a killing. and I don't regret taking profits. Taking profits is always a good thing. You don't want to take losses. So if somebody teases you about paper handing or so forth, hey, you know what? You made money. They didn't. So let the actions speak for themselves, and the pay is in the pocketbook, so to speak. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My name is Martin Ramirez. I'm an entrepreneur trying to teach you guys how to make money in the stock market and with entrepreneurial means as well. If you guys want, watch some of my other videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys, and good luck to you.